What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Tuning in for another video. And man, today the tire's supposed to come, man. So I didn't want to do a solo video, but I ain't have no choice, cause man, FedEx been playing, boy. They playing today too, man. I don't know what taking them so long, boy. Man, when you need some, when I need something, I'm waiting on it, man. The delivery people take 20,000 years to come, man. When I don't need it, yeah, shit, they pop up in the morning, boy. They said, boy, I tell you, it is what it is, though, man. Cause they holding up progress. Cause I want to take these. I'm gonna take these off, man. Cause you know I don't like my car sitting on my radios and stuff like that. I don't like doing that, man. I don't want no spot on them or none of that. I don't like them just sitting. So I always take mine off, and I'm finna drive the car anyway. But I didn't want to take them off, cause I want to go get my tire mounted on. We gotta go do that. They gonna come today. Hopefully they come before the play close, man. But we can go get the tires put on and then come back. We're gonna throw them on the car, cause I want y'all to see how they look. I'm gonna bag this joker up, take my pictures and all that good stuff right there, boom boom, and then I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna take them off, put 24 back on, so they won't be taking up my gym area too, man. So I'm waiting on we waiting on the delivery truck, man. I don't know what they got going on. I don't know what they got going on today. It don't be killing me though every time, boy. It like clockwork, y'all. If I ain't looking for it, I ain't in no rush for it. Shit, it don't pop up in the morning. I'm like, I don't even need it. Got bright. I don't even need it now. I've been waiting on this junk. Still ain't got it, man. It's supposed to came Saturday, which I had a feeling that one coming, y'all. If y'all saw my track video, y'all know how that went. And now here it is, the day they supposed to come, and they still ain't pedaling around, man. But I'm gonna tell y'all, transmission finna be coming out very soon. I got a video talking about all that. If you saw the track video, then you already know why the transmission coming out and all that. We're converting all that. But that's another video, man. That's another video. But I'm finna get this thing uncovered, and I have it ready or whatever. So then when the tire come, I'm gonna hop in Dolo. I'm gonna drive Dolo today. Cause I drove it the other day. Man. Good little ways all day. So back in Dolo since it been sitting and all that. So yeah. Whenever the delivery truck get here, man, we'll be ready to roll. Well, as y'all can see, I done moved meat, put it right here. Cause slow FedEx still ain't came, man. Slow FedEx still ain't came, man. I ain't gonna have time to even put the tires on today. It's a whole nother day. Cause the tire shop gonna be closed. I ain't even gonna have time at this point, man. So this video here gonna stretch over into tomorrow. And maybe we'll get it done tomorrow, which I got other stuff going on too, man. But I hate when deliveries be this slow like this. Especially out the ordinary. Must have somebody new or something, I don't know. But whatever it is, it ain't it. It ain't it, man. But so when we check back in, it's gonna be the next day, man. I'm just be popping up at Top Shop. So luckily y'all don't have to wait. Y'all can see it in real time. I got to go through all this, but it is what it is, man. Y'all just stay tuned. I'll turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So look, made over here to Tire Depot, getting the wheel put on for meat. This next day, getting the tire put on the racing wheel for meat. Man, I drove Dolo. I know that my oil pressure fluctuate, man, up and down on the acceleration. And I think this joker need a little oil in it. I ain't checked it, man, so I'm gonna pour a quart in here and see what we get. Check the oil, man. It's kind of hard to see on that low cost stick, but when it get hot too, when it get the thin, this net, you know, you want to keep a check on your stuff. So I ain't drove the joke in a long time, but it might be clean. See, I can't remember last time I changed the oil in it, y'all. But I got my boy Scott finna run me some 2 quarts of oil up here. So we're gonna pour it in there, make sure everything. Luckily I wasn't rumping in this stuff. I just cruised, so you know, that was a good thing. But yeah, man, they putting the tires on, and then we're gonna get them back to the house, throw them on meats. I can see how they look, y'all see how they look, and then I'm gonna put the 24 back on, y'all, and then we won't throw them back on to the next track trip. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all see it, man. We got the tires on, got meat jacked up, so we finally finna see how this thing look, man. I'm finna put these on so we can see how they look, and then I'm gonna take them right off. I'm gonna get the picture, take them right off, then I'm putting the fold back on so I can get them out the way, and they won't be going back on until I'm going to the track. But you know, transmission gotta get took out, which that's about to be happening. And then we're gonna send it back to Hughes and all that good stuff, man. So that's what we got going on. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna check back in. Yes, indeed. That's it. Look at it. That's it there, boy. Meat, know it clean, boy. This joke here is clean. I'm telling y'all, this was my original plans on how to ride. Y'all remember? And this is how meats were gonna ride. I wasn't gonna put no big wheels on it, man. I was gonna ride on some racing wheels, man, all the time. That joke here is clean, boy. That joke was tough, especially when I get painted. This joke here tough. When I get painted, the hood matching everything, and new top on, and bumper filler and everything, man, that meat finna be tough. Take that 10 off of there. Meat finna be tough. That's it there. 17 inches. They bolt up perfect. 15 on the back. Yeah, we ready to roll. Now I'm finna get these things off here, or I might let it cool down a little bit first, man. It's hot. And then go ahead and what's the name? Put the 24 back on. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Y'all see I got meats mounted back up on the folds. But the reason about getting dark, man, cause I've been shaking, rattling, rolling. As soon as I got it back on the fold, man, I had to make a move, man, get going and stuff, all that good stuff. So you know, that's what it is, man. We got it all done, all wrapped up. What else? Finally got a chance to see this thing on the racing wheels, on the 17s, all that good stuff. Cause y'all know we supposed to been did that. And you know, that thing here done stretched out into 2 days. It done stretched out into 2 days, man. Waiting on them rims and stuff, but I'm glad I got them. I can't wait to take this joker out to the track again, and hopefully it do what it's supposed to do. All that with Dolo. See, I'm gonna hit oil change stuff with Dolo. I told y'all what going on. I got the oil. Shout out to AutoZone, Natalie and all them, Scott, and they ran that oil up there to me ASAP rocket. But everything on it. But it's time for oil change on this one. Dolo oil pretty clean still, but still unused on. So it's time for oil change on Dolo. Oil change on the L150. It just popped up. And oil change on the Escalade. Oil change, man. It'd be hundreds of dollars in oil change. The truck good. R&B good. I changed them oil recently. The Regal Romanana, I think I changed Romanana oil. I can't remember. I know I did brakes. I did brakes on all of them. Brakes are good on everything. And sometimes you got to do this, man. Y'all know I just got to go through general maintenance, cause I done forgot what's what on everything, man. But I think everything good. I know wifey called both got new brakes. Obviously the Mustang, Emma. R&B just got brakes on front, new rotors and new calipers. Cause we just did that for the car show. Grandma Nana, we did brakes on it. The truck, believe it or not, now this was funny. I did the only one brown coat that I did never do brakes on. I ain't do no brakes on this one. It's still old stuff, man. Old caliper, rotors, and I ain't did nothing on it, man. I ain't did none of the brakes on this. Now, y'all know what, man? I'm probably, next time, I need to get a braided line. I need to get a braided line because I got a leak in 2 fittings. I just thought about it. I think they dash 6. They got an old school steel braid. I need to order that and make that up. But this right here, next time, man, I go to the track, I might, now that it meets down, probably take this one. Cause I ain't took it out. I was trying to wait till I put the nitrous on, but I ain't took this truck to the track in way over a year. I've been driving it now. People probably, man, you don't never drive. I just ain't video, man. I've been driving it. That's why it's right there. I've been daily driving brown coat, man. I've been in it. I've been daily driving brown coat. Then that's why I pulled out Dolo, cause I hadn't drove Dolo in a month, over a month. The first time ever Dolo done sat that long. I hadn't drove Dolo in a month. And I'm actually letting the donk chill right now. As bad as I've been wanting to drive it, I'm letting the donk chill though. I ain't drove the donk in about a week, man, but it get rough with these cars. Y'all know they're my favorite. Meat's my favorite, man. I still ain't took in that it back. I still ain't took it all in, so it's still my favorite to drive out of all of them. And it been together now. Long been together. I got oil press in September before my birthday. I debuted the beginning of October. So we just October, November, December, January, March, April, May. Thing been together 8. God darn, time go by 8 months. Meat been together 8 months, man. I still ain't took it. I ain't took it in yet. The time be going by fast, but see, like now I've been ready to drive R&B. And I'm cool with Nana. There was Nana there. Nana gonna chill. Cause I need to put a flywheel on that car, man. A flex plate. But I drove Nana so much, I done got it out of my system. I take a break from it, and I ain't even been having the desire to drive it right now. Cause I drove it so much. Y'all know I daily drove it. So that one cool. Now I've been wanting to drive R&B. I got to get the headlight stuff straightened out though. I gotta get the headlight stuff straightened out. But I've been in brown coat. I have been in brown coat. These 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. That's what I've been driving on and off camera. But now I'm finna move this one up and get brown coat straightened out. Oh, now, hey, we finna get the music done in this one. All new interior speakers, new 6.5s, new 2 6x9s in the back, new head unit, new speaker wire ran. My bro coming through tomorrow to do that, so we got stuff shaking. Y'all know I did LEDs. I did a lot to this car already, little small detail stuff. So we got all that going on. But yeah, that's what it is, man. That's what it is, man. So it's a lot of action going on, man. It's a lot of parts in the garage still, the knick-knack stuff between Dolo, Wifey Mustang, and the Donk, which I gotta come up with a name for. It's a lot of stuff shaking, man. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.